Hi, I am James Acton. I was not allowed to play football because my parents and I would not sign a form submitting that random drug test because it violates the Fourth Amendment.
Hi, I'm the superintendent. We established this to protect our athletes. The 14th Amendment extends the 4th Amendment and gives us permission to drug test under reasonable cause.
Good.
Okay, from here on out, the Veronia School District accepts the student-athlete random drug testing policy.
Hey guys, there's a new policy that we have to do random drug testing on all the athletes to prevent injuries. So James, you're first.
Oh, I have to talk to my parents first.
Hey James, how was school today?
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom, the coach asked me to do a random drug test for all athletes. I have to do it.
No, that violates the 4th Amendment of random search and seizures. I don't want you participating in that.
Coach, I have to drug test your athletes.
No, I will talk to them during practice. Come on, James, let's go. 5 more. You're almost there. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. That's practice. James, you have to now run 1.5 miles in 10 minutes.
Go. Excuse me, Coach, I need to talk to you.
Is this about the new drug policy?
Yeah.
All right. Well, this is a close practice, so I guess I could talk to you for a few minutes. What's up?
Okay, well, my son is not participating in this if it violates the 4th Amendment.
Yeah, I know, but this is the new school policy, so if James will not attend in the drug testing, then he cannot play football.
Then I guess he's not going to play.
Dad, can you help me with my math homework?
No, son. You seem a little down. What's wrong?
James isn't playing football anymore.
What? Why not?
They're starting to drug test all the football players and all the athletes. in
Randomly?
school. Yeah.
That's against the 4th Amendment. This is absurd. I'm taking this to court, honey. Are you with me?
I'm with you, baby girl.
The Supreme Court's decision for the Veronia School District versus Acton solved many of the country's other district school problems. They settled the arguments between drug testing and violence in schools. If the school sees that there is a drug problem, they may offer a test but does not need to suspect students of using drugs. Now, schools perform random searches in classrooms for the safety of its students. The question in court was, does random drug testing of high school student athletes violate the reasonable search and seizure clause of the 4th Amendment?
The Supreme Court's final decision was that the Veronia School District drug testing of the athletes was reasonable under the Fourth Amendment. They also stated that this did not mean that any random drug test to any student was constitutional. The decision was 6 votes for Veronia School District and 3 votes against.
Justices O'Connor, Stevens, and Scalia did not agree with majority. O'Connor wrote a separate opinion expressing only her views. O'Connor thought that since the teachers and coaches did not have first-hand knowledge of drug use, that there should not have been a drug test involved. She finally concluded that it would have been more reasonable for the school to focus the drug test on students who were disrupting the classroom. She also stated that the decision sweeps too broadly across the board.